Damn. I hope you guys heard that. That fucking thunder went on forever. What was that? Dude, I shit you not. Okay, chat, this sounds really weird, right? My window's open and I smelled the thunder. So I smelled it. And when I heard it, I was like, wait, I smelled rain? But after hearing the thunder... I'm in danger! I'm in danger! Dude, sometimes thunder is scary. It just went on for fucking... I don't know how much you heard of it and how loud, but that thunder was fucking... It was going. And I'm afraid...